ping pong ball size hail and 6. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake, until 10:15 p.m. At 7:09 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 nautical miles north of Elgin to 8 nautical miles southwest of Aurora, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard: wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and large hail. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver Crib, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Winthrop Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Waukegan Harbor, Burnham Harbor, and Hammond Marina. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northeastern Illinois, northwestern Indiana, and the adjacent waters of Lake Michigan. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. A tornado warning